I got a map. Planetary chart. Huh.
Oh, hey, you can customize. Hey, you should customize.
How do you customize?
You press E.
Yeah. Oh, I can be pink. Yeah, I see what you mean. How did you unlock more helmets?
You just get him. Oh, interesting. Very interesting.
Take your time, I don't want to ruin this moment for you.
No.
No, you should enjoy No Man's Skies, helmets and stuff like that.
Oh my god. Yeah. Hey.
I feel like I'm witnessing something I shouldn't be part of. I feel like this is so intimate.
No, not at all. No. No.
Are you sure it's okay if I'm?
Oh yeah, it's okay. Yeah, you can stay.
Okay. It's so fascinating.
Yeah.
Don't worry, guys. You can come back in a couple of hours. We're gonna be
No. We're done. We're done. No. We're done. Like this. Wow, you look gorgeous.
Thanks. How about you? Look at that. Okay, I was considering that head as well, but it was like, damn, that fits you so badly. I need to be a cat, Meow meow?
Meow meow.